The astronauts could be staying on Mars anywhere between a few months or a couple of years while they continue to set up the propellant plant. One of the most important things the astronauts will have to do when they arrive is set up a base. It's unclear what the first Martian base will look like, although many have suggested that it should have a similar design to the International Space Station, with compact pressurized modules allowing room for expansion. Others have suggested that the initial base on Mars should be built underground to protect the astronauts from the intense radiation and extreme weather experienced on Mars. The first astronauts on Mars will take a 2-year supply of vacuum-sealed packets of food, which are light and compact, just like the ones used on the ISS. The astronauts won't be relying on Mars-grown food. However, it's likely that they will bring a greenhouse on their first mission to experiment with growing food and possibly supplementing their food with freshly grown produce. In order to navigate the surface of Mars, the astronauts will also need a vehicle that can deal with the roughest of terrains. NASA have been developing the Space Exploration Vehicle for this exact purpose. This is a pressurized vehicle which can support up to 4 astronauts for 72 hours. With multiple SEVs on the surface of Mars, it would allow astronauts to travel more than 125 miles in any direction, a major leap forward from the maximum 6-mile range that the lunar rover had on the Moon. So as we get closer to seeing the first humans set foot on Mars, we could appreciate the enormous engineering challenges that need to be overcome before they get there.